Google Chrome is a great browser application, and one of the most powerful features of it are Chrome extensions that allow you to add functionality and these little single click buttons to the top right corner of your browser window. I'm going to show you 5 that I use on almost a weekly basis in class as a teacher. First one I'm going to show you here is called the one-click timer. One-click timer allows you to, as you can see, just simply click the icon, set a quick timer, and you can either leave the timer up or you can click on anywhere in your window and it just kind of minimizes itself. And as long as you have some sort of Chrome window open, that timer continues to work, and you can pause it and reset the time as needed. Again, that's the one-click timer. The second one I'm going to show you is Screencastify. Screencastify allows you to take a screen recording similar to the one that you're watching right now, and it will allow you to hook up a microphone. It allows you to either capture a particular tab within a browser window or your entire desktop. If you have a camera hooked up, it'll actually even allow you to kind of embed a video of yourself in your videos if you'd like as well. And it's real easy to use. Once you've got your microphone working, you can adjust the setup, click start recording, and now it's actually recording anything I do. So if I switch browser windows or tab windows, it happens to be only recording this window. Simply click up here on the icon again, stop the recording, and it immediately goes to another page. And it'll give me a little preview. Now I've also linked this so that it is storing itself onto my Google Drive, and I'll show you where that appears within your Google Drive, or you can simply save it to your computer directly to do what you like with it. So once that's downloaded here, is almost downloaded, and I've actually recorded a couple other ones, it will actually create a Screencastify folder within here, and you can see they're all right here, directly shareable and playable and downloadable as well. The next extension I'm going to show you here is called Shorten Me, and this really is just an extension of the goo.gl URL shortening service. You can of course just go to that website, copy and paste a lengthy URL, and it'll give you a shortened URL. Or let's say you are at a website and you found it and you want to share that with somebody very quickly, and this is, let's say this is a lengthy one here. If I click my Shorten Me extension, not only do I get a shortened URL, but I also get an image that I can share for scanning on a mobile application. That will take me directly to this web address. Again, that is called Shorten Me, and it gives you a nice quick way to copy and paste a shortened version of a URL. The next extension I'm going to show you in our top 5 is just called the Save to Google Drive, and it's a nice, easy, and quick way to take a screenshot of any sort of web page that you're looking at, and it will take a PDF or a PNG or a JPEG depending on what settings you've set it up to do, and it will scan this and it will directly save it right to your drive. And you can see that will actually save itself. I've actually set it up to save it right inside my Screencastify folder, and it is set up to do a PNG for me right now, and all of those settings you can change from within this app. At the end of this there's a little settings button you can click on, and again that is called the Save to Google Drive. Now for my final one here, this is a great one that we use a lot with our ESL students and in our foreign language classes, and that's the Google Translate. Now it does an okay job of translating, but this little button that I've installed as an extension gives me a couple of great features. I can actually highlight text on a web page, and I get this little icon that appears that if I click on it, it will instantly give me a translation. Now I happen to have mine set up to translate to Spanish. I can also click on the translate button and just paste it into here, and it will translate directly for me. Or I can translate an entire website by clicking translate this page, and it will instantly translate this entire web page into Spanish or any other language that I have listed here. Again, if I highlight it, it will give me sort of a little translation back to English if I actually change those settings within here. The settings are very easy to get to. I click on this icon and I can just click on extension options, and this is where I can change all of those settings. Within the Google Store, there's literally hundreds of other extensions that are great for education, but these are my top 5 for this week.